Hello, Anya here. Today we'll have a yoga class in this gorgeous Cary's Meadow, which is just around the corner from Blossom Therapies and Yoga Studio. I've been holding here outdoor yoga classes for the last few weeks and we absolutely love it here. It's just so lush. So I was inspired to record a class for my online yoga tribe here too. So let's get started. Let's come to the standing position on the mat. Feet hip distance apart, parallel to each other. And just at first connect with your feet. Feel the body weight evenly distributed on your whole feet. Straight legs, balanced pelvis, straight back, and let's rotate the shoulders backwards and let them drop. Let there be an opening, the widening in the space of the heart. And let your chin slightly in so you can feel this lengthening through the back of your neck. Nice long spine. And close your eyes. Find ease and softening in this straight standing position. And expand your awareness beyond your physical body. The hold of the consciousness over your entire being. Check the quality of your mind. If there are any thoughts, worries or concerns, just let them go. And we're committing to be present, here and now, with ourselves, our bodies, our energies and our entire being. So let us start with a few warm-ups. So bring your chin towards the chest. And we start with a very, very slow rotation of the head towards the right shoulder. And we continue very slowly backwards. We are exploring the range of movement of the neck all the way around. Nice and slow, ample movement. And now let us change the direction of the movement. Stay with awareness in the neck area. Stay with your eyes closed. Enjoy this stretch. And that's enough. Come to a comfortable standing position. Just stay with your eyes closed and just tune in to your body. Feel the fluidic energies in the neck area, the clearing of the neural pathway at the neck, the communication between the mind and the rest of your body, harmony. And now we'll continue with the movement of the spine. So let us start by rising shoulders up and down. We create this wobble at the chest, snake-like movement. The arms are completely relaxed. They're just following this snake-like movement. Stay with awareness at the spine. Close your eyes. And that's enough. Bring your body back to the stillness. Close your eyes. Feel the energizing of the spine. Increase fluidity through the whole spine. And now we will continue with the asana for stretching thorax and the spine. So come with your feet apart at the angle. And we place the palms on the thighs. We will synchronize movement with the breath. So inhale through the nose and we exhale through the mouth. Bend your knees and bend forwards. Inhale, come up, stay with your knees bent and press the thighs, the hands against the thighs. The arms are stretched so you can actually push the pelvis towards the ground, creating this stretch, this lengthening of the spine. The neck and head are aligned with the spine. And exhale through the mouth. Release the position, come up, relax for a couple of breaths. Feel the energy coming from above, descending along the spine, energizing the spine. And let's do it 2 more times. So palms on the thighs. Exhale through the mouth, bend your knees, bend forwards. Inhale, come up and press against the thighs. So make sure that your arms are stretched. So you want to bring the elbows towards the ribs. The shoulders are coming a little bit towards the ears, and feel this stretch. And now exhale, release the position, come up, close your eyes for a moment, interiorize. Stay with awareness at the spine. And now we do the last one. This time we will hold the breath when we enter the position. So inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Inhale through the nose, and exhale, bend your knees, bend forwards. Inhale, hold the breath, come up, press against the thighs. Feel this lengthening through the spine. Visualize a light energy descending along the spine. And now exhale through the mouth, release the position, and come up to a comfortable standing position. And pause for a moment, close your eyes. The elasticization of the spaces between the vertebrae, expansion of the distances between the ribs, the feeling of revitalization spreading from the spine, increased flexibility. And now let us continue with Virabhadrasana 1, the warrior 1 posture. So let us come in front of the yoga mat, feet hip distance apart to start with. And before we enter the pose, bring your awareness to your breath. And we want to encourage deep abdominal breathing. So you want to feel your abdomen expanding on inhalation and softening on exhalation. We bring the awareness to this abdominal area, the navel chakra, connecting with this energy. And now inhale and take a big step with the right leg back. The right foot is going towards the right corner of the yoga mat. You keep the feet in 2 parallel lines. And now we rotate the hips towards the front leg. We square the hips with the shoulders. We make sure that the back leg is straight and we are feeling some body weight on the back foot. And now we start bending the left knee, allowing the pelvis to sink towards the ground. Just make sure that your knee doesn't go beyond the ankle. If it does, if you don't see your big toes, you can walk your left foot forwards just to find the right stance for your position. And now the arms are coming all the way up to the warrior 1 position. Fix your gaze at the point in front of you so you stay focused. Stay with the breath, deep abdominal breathing. We're connecting with the navel chakra. Strong legs, we're drawing the energy from the ground all the way to the navel chakra at the level of the abdomen. Connect with this sense of strength, the boldness of the asana, your inner warrior. Stay with the deep abdominal breathing. And that's enough. Release the position, release your arms, release your legs. You can shake your legs. And come to a comfortable standing position. Feel the energizing of the legs and arms and activation of the navel chakra. The abdominal area, expansion at this level. The fiery type of energy. Just tune in to this quality of energy, of inner strength, self-confidence, willpower. And now we will continue with this asana on the other side. So again, come to the front of the yoga mat. Bring the awareness to your breath. Encourage deep abdominal breathing. And now we take a big step with the left leg back. Left foot is going towards the left corner of your yoga mat. And now we bring the hips forwards. We square the hips with the shoulders. We make sure that we can feel some body weight on the back foot, and we start bending the right knee. The back leg is stretched. Allow your pelvis to sink towards the ground. You don't want your knee to go beyond the ankle, so if you need to, just walk your foot a little bit forwards till you find your position. And now bring your arms all the way up to the warrior one position. Stay with your breath. Stay with this sense of strength, resilience coming from your navel, from your abdominal area. Feel the boldness, the strength of the position. Find the poise. Stay focused. 2 more breaths. And that's enough. Release the position. You can shake your legs and come to a comfortable standing position. Close your eyes. Feel the energizing of your whole body, the rising up of this fiery type of energy at the level of the navel chakra. Feel the quality of this energy. Self-confidence, inner strength, willpower. Connect with this part of your being. And now we will continue with Vrikshasana, the polar tree pose, when we stay on one leg at a time. So if you struggle with the balance, you might want to come closer to the wall or chair so you can hold to it if you're about to lose the balance. Okay, so start with finding a spot in front of you at the level of the forehead. And just fix your gaze without winking and blinking. This will help you to keep the balance. And now we shift the body weight to the left leg. And we bring at first the right heel just above the ankle, so the toes are still close to the ground. And just check your balance today. If you struggle with the balance, you might want just to stay here. But if your balance is good, bring your foot against the left calf, or you might want to bring it all the way against the left side. Only if you can stay nice and balanced. And bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Relax your shoulders. Soften your breath. And stay with a sharp focus. No winking, no blinking. With this chosen spot. And that's enough. Release the position. Shake your legs, especially the left one. And come to a comfortable standing position. Feel the energizing of the left leg and this sense of energy rising through the left side of the body. The activation of Ajna chakra, the third eye, at the level of the forehead, bringing ability to focus, concentrate, brings clarity to the mind. And now, let's open the eyes and we'll continue with Vrikshasana on the other side. So, fix your gaze at the same spot as before. And now we shift the body weight to the right leg and we bring the left heel just above the ankle so the toes are in the close contact with the ground, and just see your balance. If your balance is good, you can try to bring the foot against the left calf, the right calf, the knee going to the side, and you might also try to bring it all the way against the thigh, only if you can stay balanced. And bring your palms together in Namaskar Mudra. Stay with a sharp focus. Again, soften your shoulders, soften your neck. Nice, slow, natural breath. And smile. And that's enough. Release the position, shake your legs, especially the right one. And come to a comfortable standing position. Feel this aliveness, the energy in the right leg and the right side of the body. The activation of the solar emissive controlling aspect of Ajna chakra. The ability to control the mind. Clarity of the mind, the sharpness of the mind. And overall, find a balance and harmony between the left and right. And open your eyes. We will continue now with Padahastasana, the bending forwards position. Come to the back of your yoga mat. Feet hip distance apart. And before entering the asana, let us stretch upwards. Enjoy the stretch. And now we start bending forwards. The movement is coming from the hip. We keep the back in neutral position as long as possible. And slowly, very slowly, we bring the hands towards the ground. If you cannot reach the ground, you might want to use a cushion or chair, or just simply you can stay with your hands trying to reach the ground. So find your position that you can remain for a minute or so. Stay with the legs stretched. Feel the stretch on the back of your legs, lower back. Relax your shoulders, relax your neck. Allow your head to simply hang in this position. And be aware of the energy coming from the ground, through your feet, legs, all the way up to the root chakra, at the root of the spine. And the energy continue through the back, arms and hands, expelling of the excess stagnant energy back to the ground. So we continuously receiving fresh energy through the legs, energizing the root chakra, this source of vital, earthy type of energy, which is like a battery for your being. Stay with awareness at the root of the spine. If you note your mind wandering, simply let those thoughts go and bring your awareness back to the root of the spine. And for the last few seconds, see if there's a little bit more availability, if you can sink a little bit deeper. And if you still cannot touch the ground, just bend your knee at this point and make a contact with the ground. And now we walk our hands forwards to downward facing dog. Hands shoulder distance apart. And we start by stretching one leg at a time. So bring the left heel towards the ground, bend your right knee and change. Bring the right heel towards the ground, feel the stretch and continue stretching the back of your legs. The hips are up. And now inhale, and when you exhale, draw both of your heels towards the ground. At the same time, we draw the hips up and back, so we create this lengthening through the spine. Open the chest, head between the shoulders, between the arms. Keep breathing. Two more breaths. And exhale, bring your knees on the ground and let us lie down on the abdomen. Bring the hands just above the shoulders and bring the chin in a gentle contact with the ground. And we prepare for Bhujangasana, the cobra pose. So bring your awareness to the heart center in the middle of the chest. Allow your breath to flow in and out of this center. With each breath, you bring life into your heart. And make each exhalation nice and slow. And now inhale and lift your head and chest up. At first, let us stay on the forearms in a Sphinx pose. We create a nice smooth curve of the spine. The head is going up, nice long neck. Don't let your head to sink between the shoulders. Head up, open the chest. Close your eyes. In this asana, we are receiving the energy from above directly in the heart center. So stay with this sense of openness in the chest and sense of receiving in the heart. If you find yourself thinking, let those thoughts go and bring your awareness back to the heart center in the middle of the chest. And now we can try to go to the full Bhujangasana, lifting the elbows up. Only if you've done it before, you have enough flexibility in your spine. Just make sure that you maintain this nice smooth curve of the spine and you maintain this nice long neck, head up, opening in the chest. Stay with awareness in the heart center. And that's enough. Release the position. Slowly bring your chest back on the ground. Create a cushion with your hands for the forehead. And you can start rocking gently your head from side to side to release any tension in the neck. And if there is any tension in the lower back, you can rock your hips from side to side gently. And let your body slowly come to the still position. And observe the effects of this asana, the physical effects of this strong backward bend. But especially pay attention to those sensations in the chest area, the heart center. You might feel affective mood without any object. Deep internal calmness coming from the heart. We are open to perceive a vibration of universal love. in your heart center. And now let's come up on the hands and knees in all fours, and we continue with a cat stretch as a counter stretch for Bhujangasana. So curve your spine upwards, feel this stretch, especially on the lower back, also curving of the upper back. And now we slowly draw the hips towards the heels, and we bring the forehead on the ground, and make sure that your arms are relaxed, your shoulders are relaxed, and your neck is relaxed. Feel the stretch on the lower back, and bring your awareness to the chest area, to the heart center. In this pose of surrender, we surrendering our busy thinking mind to the stillness continuously coming from the heart. Tune in to this space in the middle of the chest. And now let us continue with Rajakapotasana, the pigeon pose. So bring your left knee forward. Actually, we'll start the other way around. So bring your right leg bent forwards and the left leg behind. In the left leg behind, we're more opening the left side of the body, the lunar receptive aspect we want to work first with. Try to find a balance in this position, and when you find your balance, bring your arms up and open your chest. Head is going up towards the sky. If you have an injury in your neck, you might want to keep your head up, looking forwards. Feel this opening in the chest. The chest is going forwards. Feel like a bird in the sky, flying. Feel the light, airy energy flying through the sky. And that's enough. Release position, bring the palms on the ground. And just let's pause for a moment here to feel the effects of this asana, this opening on the left side of the body, especially at the level of the chest and the heart, the activation of the lunar receptive aspect of the heart center, the ability to feel the energy at this level, the love, unconditional love, to be able to tune in to this energy. And now we will continue on the other side. So now the right leg back, the left knee forwards. And again, find nice stability. And now we bring the arms backwards, head up and back. Feel this opening in the chest, in the heart center. Feel like you are a bird flying through the sky. Lightness, spaciousness, freedom. And that's enough. Let us release the position, the hands back on the ground, bring the head forwards. And again, come to a kneeling position. And just acknowledge the effect, this aliveness on the right side of your body. The activation of the solar emissive controlling aspect of the heart center. The ability to emit, to offer the energy of this unconditional love. And overall find a balance and harmony between the left and right, a nice opening in the space of the chest and heart. And now let us continue with Ardha Matsyendrasana, the spinal twist. So start with the left knee bend, and now we bring the right foot over the left knee, and we hold to the shin, and we just lengthen the spine upwards. And now from here, the left arm to the side, and we start rotating towards the right. With the left arm, hug your right knee, and the right hand behind your back. And the chin also wants to go towards the right in this kind of spiral-like movement. Close your eyes. Make sure that your shoulders are on the same level with each other. The spine is straight vertical. Feel the engagement of those abdominal muscles to hold your spine nice and straight. And bring your awareness to the neck area. Feel the stretch on the left side of the neck. And remain with the awareness at the space around the neck and throat. The throat chakra. And that's enough. Slowly release the position and come to a comfortable sitting position. Close your eyes. Soften your shoulders. Soften your neck and just feel the quality of this energy. The sense of lightness, expansion of the consciousness beyond your physical body. And now we'll continue with Ardha Matsyendrasana, this spinal twist on the other side. So bend your right knee and put the left foot over the right knee. Grab the shin and lengthen your spine. And now the right arm from the side. Hug your left knee and the left hand behind the back. Just check if your shoulders are on the same level with each other. And now the chin wants to go towards the left. Close your eyes. Your eyes also want to go in this spiral-like movement along the line of the spine. Feel the verticality of your spine. Strong abdominal muscles holding you in this position. And stay with awareness at the neck area, the stretch on the right side of your neck, the space around the throat. Rest here. And that's enough. Slowly release the position and come to a comfortable sitting position. Okay, soften your shoulders, soften your neck. Stay with this verticality of the spine and just feel the quality of the energy. Feel the quality of your mind, the calmness, spaciousness, expansion to the subtle plane. let us continue with Samavritti Pranayama, the square pranayama. It's a great pranayama to get this sense of groundedness and stability, perfect to be done in nature. So stay with a cross-legged position or any other comfortable sitting position. And in this pranayama, we will inhale on a count of 4. We will hold the breath on a count of 4. We will exhale on a count of 4. And again, we will hold this void retention on a count of 4. It's called square because actually it's a good idea to visualize a square. So for example, you inhale, you count 1, 2, 3, 4. You hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And hold again 1, 2, 3, 4. So you can visualize drawing this line, and therefore you're kind of ensuring that you keep the same length during the inhalation and holding and exhalation and the void retention. So let us start. We inhale and exhale through the nose. So close your eyes. Inhale on a count of 4. Hold the breath on a count of 4. And exhale on a count of 4. And hold again on a count of 4. And continue. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue in your own pace, just counting to the 4. If you find difficult to hold the breath, you might want to count a little bit faster. Or if you find it easy, you might want to count slower. Just maintain the rhythm. And that's enough. Stay with your eyes closed and feel the effect of this pranayama. Feel the quality of your mind, the calmness, stability of your mind, sense of groundedness. And now let us finish with the final relaxation. So let us lie down on the back in Shavasana, the legs and arms apart, palms facing upwards. Stay here for a few minutes, relaxing each part of your body gradually. I'll continue with my yoga relaxation video, which just pops up at the screen now, for the perfect finish of a yoga class.